Hi guys, it's Happy Mail Queen. I wanted to do another tutorial here. So I just uploaded a tutorial on how to make my acetate envelopes for the shaker element in your pocket letter. It looks like this. Okay. So the video that I uploaded requires that you have a 3 by 7.5 inch acetate. But let's say you don't have a 7.5 inch long acetate or paper, you know, because again, you can make this little envelope as a shaker element using acetate, or as an envelope to put goodies in. Okay, and that's your insert for your pocket. So yeah, let's say you don't have a long enough acetate or paper and you only have a 6 by 6. So let me show you how to do that. And I kind of use I kind of call this my side flap envelope, because instead of it, you know, folding this way to create your envelope, the flap is going to fold this way. So it's like a side flap. Okay. So what you're going to start off with is a 4 3/4 by 5 1/4 piece of acetate or paper. So let's cut this 6 by 6 down. We're going to do 5 1/4. Okay, there's our 5 1/4 mark. You're going to turn it and you're going to do 4 3/4, which is right there. Okay, 4 3/4. Okay, then we're going to score it. So at the shorter end, which is the 4 3/4, you're going to score again a 1/4 inch flap, 1/4 inch. Okay, the opposite end, which is this one, you're going to do a 1 inch. Okay, and then you're going to score at, remember the width is 2.5 inches for this piece, right? The width. So let's score at 2.5 inch. Sure that's right exactly there. 2.5 inch. Kind of a little hard to do this because the paper trimmer is away from me, but I want to make sure that you guys can see what I'm doing. Okay, and if you fold this up here, see, you're going to have a 1/4 inch left, which is going to be your flap. So turn it over and score a 1/4 inch again from the other side, from the opposite side that you just scored. Okay, so again, from the 4 3/4 side going this way, you're gonna score a 1/4 inch here to make this flap, a 1/2 inch here to make this flap. Just keep in mind you're not 1/2 inch, this is 1 inch, sorry. And the reason I make it more is, you know, because you want to punch it out with your decorative punch. Okay. If you score that, or fold it, fold your score lines. Okay. Just go ahead and fold all your score lines and then we'll continue from there. Okay, so you folded all your score lines, right? So again, this is the flap. Okay, but you don't need all these you're gonna have to cut some off. So since we have a flap here, this is gonna close like that. Okay. I think it's a little bit short. I don't know why. It must have been the way I scored it, because it's kind of hard to score for me when my paper trimmer's over there. Okay, but anyway, you guys kind of get what I mean. You're going to cut, let's see, since my flaps are here, let's keep the flaps here. Let's cut this off, okay? So let's cut this off completely. I'm trying to make this easy so you know which one you're cutting off. So flaps are always like going to be on this side, okay? Make that V cut. Remember the V cut? Or angled cut. Okay. And then for this flap, you're going to do the same thing. Just keep in mind when you do your flaps, you're always going to angle it a little bit. Trying to stay in frame, sorry. Okay. You want to cut this off completely. Okay. And then you want to cut this off completely. This 1-inch flap. Cut that off. Okay, so that you have it like this. So again, one side doesn't have any flaps. The other side has all the flaps. Okay, so what you're going to do is put your adhesive here. You're going to put your adhesive here, and you're going to close it up like this. And then you're going to use your Martha Stewart punch, EK Success, whatever punch here. And that leaves you with this nice decorative flap. So you guys see the difference there? This one's opening like from the side. Okay. This one is from a longer piece, and you're going like this. Okay, so that's it. Yeah, so, you know, if you're making these pocket letters and for your little pockets, you want to make just envelopes. But, you know, you don't have the 12 by 12 piece of paper. You just have a 6 by 6 paper pad. You can use that. Just follow this method of making your envelopes. Okay? So, I hope that's clear. And let me know, you guys, if, you know, I didn't make it clear enough and you need me to improve on my tutorial. But that's it. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.